If you want to create a single-spaced Word document in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your document spacing so it looks clean, compact, and professional. This is especially useful for essays, reports, letters, resumes, or any document where you want to fit more text on the page without extra gaps between lines. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your Word document. If you want the entire document to be single-spaced, the fastest way is to select everything by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. If you only want part of the document changed, just highlight the specific text you want to adjust. Once your text is selected, go up to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. This is where you'll find most of the basic formatting tools, including font settings, alignment, and spacing options. Now look for the Paragraph group. In this section, you'll see a button called Line and Paragraph Spacing. It usually looks like a few horizontal lines with arrows pointing up and down. Click that icon to open the spacing menu. From the drop-down list, choose 1.0. That setting is single spacing, and it will immediately apply to the selected text. If you selected the whole document, then the entire file will now be single-spaced. If you only highlighted one section, only that part will change. This is a simple but powerful formatting trick, especially when you need to make your document look more polished or save space on the page. If you don't see the result right away, make sure the correct text is still selected before you click the spacing option. Also, remember that line spacing is separate from paragraph spacing, so if there are still extra gaps between paragraphs, you may need to adjust those settings too. But for most cases, choosing 1.0 from the line and paragraph spacing menu is all you need to make your Word document single-spaced. And that's it! You've now created a single-spaced Word document in Microsoft Word in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Word shortcut or formatting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.